You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly two different ways, the two correct pronunciations for this word, and how British English and American English pronunciations are ever so slightly, well, they're quite different, aren't they? Let's hear them. British English pronunciation, UK, landed. Landed. How to pronounce landed. The American English pronunciation, how it's usually pronounced in the US, is more as landed. Landed, US pronunciation, or how to pronounce landed. British English pronunciation. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.